Hey there! Welcome to the fastest, most fun-filled guide on how to go from zero to your very first AI agent in just 5 minutes, and you won't have to write a single line of code. Sounds impossible, right? Well, stick with me because I'm about to show you just how simple and exciting this can be. Imagine creating an AI assistant that can handle tasks, answer questions, or even just keep you company, all without needing a tech degree. Pretty cool, huh? Today, I'm going to break down exactly how you can do that, step by step. Ready? Let's dive in. First off, what even is an AI agent? Think of it as your virtual digital buddy, something that can understand your commands and help you get things done faster. And no, we're not building some complex machine here. We'll be using user-friendly tools designed for absolute beginners. For the next 5 minutes, we're going to use a platform called ChatGPT. And no, I'm not paid to say that. It's just super accessible and powerful enough to make this happen. If you haven't signed up yet, just head over to chat.openai.com. You can get started for free in less than a minute. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Open up ChatGPT and log in. Once you're in, our goal is to set up your own little AI helper that can do specific tasks for you. Think of it like customizing your own personal robot, except it lives inside your chat window. Next, we're going to craft a simple prompt, which is basically a set of instructions you give to ChatGPT. Don't worry if that sounds technical, I'll show you how. For example, you can type something like, "You are my assistant. Help me schedule appointments, answer my questions about cooking, and remind me to take breaks." That's it. Using prompts is how we tell the AI what to do. The best part? You can customize this anytime. Want it to help with fitness tips or remind you to drink water? Just adjust the prompt. Now, here's a pro tip. Instead of just asking ChatGPT to do things one by one, you can create what's called a workflow. Think of it as programming your AI, but with plain English instead of code. For example, you can set it up so that whenever you ask, "What should I cook?" it always responds with a recipe, a shopping list, and maybe even a fun emoji. Let's try that right now. Type, "Hey AI, suggest a quick dinner recipe." See? In seconds, it gives you options. And guess what? That's your first simple AI agent, helping you out with zero hassle. I know what you're thinking, that's pretty neat, but can I make it do more? Absolutely. The key is to leverage these prompt templates and keep refining them. Want your AI to gather news for you? Just add, "Fetch today's top headlines." Easy. Or you could set up a recurring reminder system. You can do all of this in just a few minutes. And the best part? You don't need to know any programming languages, run servers, or learn complex software. It's all about using friendly interfaces and smart, simple prompts. So, to wrap this up, your journey from zero to an AI agent is way simpler than you think. You sign up, you craft some easy instructions, and you start experimenting. In just 5 minutes, you can have a customized AI helper that works for you. Now here's your challenge. Right after this video, open ChatGPT, create your first prompt, and see what happens. Play around with it, tweak it, and watch your AI start to understand you better. Who knows, you might just become your own AI wizard. Before I go, if you found this helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. Share this video with friends who want to dip their toes into AI. And leave a comment telling me what kind of AI agent you want to build first. I love hearing your ideas. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Remember, no coding, no stress, just fun and learning. Go make your first AI agent, and I'll see you in the next one.